Hello, everybody. For those of you I haven't met, my name is Robert Shaw. Very, very proud to serve as the principal of Roswell High School. I want to thank you for participating in our 2020-2021 open house. Like a lot of things this year, this is different. We are doing it completely virtual this year, and while we'd love to welcome you into our building and have you meet the teachers face to face, unfortunately, that's just not something that we can do this year. So here's the plan for open house, and we really have tried to keep it simple. We're going to have a bell schedule, and that bell schedule is on our website. You will also find a list of all of our teachers and links next to their name. So, for example, if for second period that you have Miss Boyd, then at that time period on the bell schedule, click the link for Miss Boyd's class and join her presentation. It really is that simple, and we're really hoping the technology works. So thanks for doing that. It really is appreciated. Now, we do have some of our teachers who are not present on open house. Some of them are coaching some of our teams, or they have graduate school, but they should have gotten some information to you about things that are going on in their classroom. So thank you for your patience and support on that. One of the great things about open house is I always get the chance to thank so many people because we have so many folks in our community and so many of our parents who do so much to help our school. Of course, we have to talk about our PTSA. Second to none, hardworking, caring about every single kid in our building. So if you haven't yet joined PTSA, please do. Everything from scholarships to feeding our teachers to just giving our folks a goodie on a day where things maybe not be going so well. Our PTSA really comes through, and we appreciate them. I would also encourage you to get involved with our School Governance Council. This is a group of parents and staff members and community members who come together and work with me to make very important decisions that benefit our school. So maybe someday you'd like to consider running, but in the meantime, come to the meetings, which are online, and see some of the discussions and really get engaged in the important decision making that goes on at School Governance Council. Finally, if your student is involved in a club or a sport or an activity, I'll bet you there's a booster club that goes along with it. So your time and your talent and treasure is very needed to provide the best opportunities we can for our kids. So if there is a booster club that aligns to some activities that your student does, please get involved. We'd love to have your support, and I know our students would really appreciate it and benefit from it as well. So there's a lot going on at Roswell, and we work very hard to communicate with our community. We have a group of folks who work for the school that do nothing but make sure our message is getting out and that our parents have the information that they need. Please visit our website, please get involved on our social media, and as always, if you have questions or concerns, please let me know. Lastly, of course, open house is really about getting to know our teachers, and I want to brag on the work that they are doing. Since March 12th, things have been thrown at our staff that have been new and different, and they've had to change and they've had to pivot, and they've really had to look at things differently to provide the best instruction that they can for our students. And they've really done a terrific job. We've had some fits and some starts, and we've had some things that have really worked, and we've had some things that really haven't worked. But our staff has really put their heart and soul into doing the best we can. And we're very excited about the fact that starting next Monday, we'll welcome more of our students back to school. And we're excited about that because we really do want to see them. Known as Phase 3, I encourage you to get on the website and look at all the information and plans we put in place to keep kids as safe as we can, keep our adults as safe as we can, and also get them back in the building for instruction. Of course, this is optional. Some of our parents have opted to allow their students to finish the year in a remote learning setting, and that's great as well. Please make sure you fill out the survey so we'll know that, but know that we are really excited about continuing this school year and trying as much as we can to get back to some sense of normalcy. Speaking of normalcy, our fall sports is competing. Now it's different, right? We can't have all the folks come that usually do, and we have to temperature check everybody. But football, cross country, cheerleading, softball, they are at it and competing and doing well. And if you have a chance to either view the games in person or view them online, we hope you'll take advantage of that and cheer on our Hornets because our kids have been working really hard since this summer to get ready for the fall season. So with that being said, again, thank you. I also want to apologize for not being able to do this video in a more timely manner during open house, but tonight is actually senior night for our volleyball team, and I look forward to congratulating our seniors. Again, thank you for all you do for our school. Please communicate with us and let us know if you have questions or concerns, and I'll also tell you that we appreciate the good news emails as well. Thanks for everything that you do. Enjoy open house. We are really hoping the technology works. And as always, go Hornets.